Have you ever wondered what the world would be like if animals clocked in for a 9 to -5? Just imagine, your construction crew would be a team of beavers, building dams with incredible speed and precision. No blueprints needed. Looking for a therapist? A wise old owl would be the perfect listener, perched in a cozy office, offering profound insights with a simple hoot. And forget about your usual security guard. A pack of loyal German shepherds would have things under control, patrolling with unmatched dedication. Think your package delivery is fast now. A cheetah courier service would get your items to you in the blink of an eye. The animal kingdom is full of specialists, and it's hilarious to think about them taking over our daily jobs. What job do you think your favorite animal would have? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun what-ifs.